How to set up lines and grids in Notes app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up lines and grids in Notes app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now if you want to add lines and grids in your Notes app, it's really simple. You can do that to make your notes more organized. So let's begin. First step is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the apps option. Tap on apps and search for notes. So search for the notes app, and after you find it, open it up. After you open it up, you should see settings related to notes app. So simply scroll down, and under the viewing section, you'll find lines and grids. Tap on lines and grids, and there you'll find different options and different formats of which you can add the lines and grids of. So simply select one. I'll just select this, and you can then go back to your notes. So let's just open up our notes. You can restart your notes as well, and then let's start with a new note, and there you can see the lines and grids have been now added. And that's how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.